Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Rahim. So today we will learn, and also today our agenda to open a RPA challenge website, and we got a Excel sheet from the, you can download that Excel sheet from the here, download Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet we have the column name is first name, last, company name, role in company, and address and email and phone number. You can see here. And what we are doing in that process, we simply take one by one a row value and enter these value into the this form. And after entering the value, we can click on the submit and go for the second transaction, and then continuously we are do that thing when we are complete that all the transaction. So let's start. How can we do that? So simply what we are doing, open your UiPath Studio, and you can see I am already create a workflow name is RPA challenge, and then we are click on the open main workflow. And after that what we are doing, simply how can we do that? Simply we can take a activity name is open browser. So we are take a okay. So how can we open the open browser activity? You can see here we don't able to see the open browser activity. So how can we unable to get the open browser activity? Simply we are click on the project, and after that click on the setting of icon and close the design experience and reload this. And after that reload this activity, and it will take some time for opening. It's taking much time, so you can see. And after that what we are doing, we are just click on the activity option and then click a activities open browser. So you can see now we are get the activities open browser, get this activity open browser, drag and drop on here and copy the URL of RPA challenge and paste it on here. And also you can use the create browser, create variables. So you can click on the create, and here you are type the RPA challenge URL and paste this link in double quotation on here and pass this RPA challenge variable on here. Okay, and then click on the property and choose the browser name is Chrome and save it. And after that what we are doing, we are take a read range activity to read the table. So we are take a read range activity, we choose the read range workbook activity and pass the path of the Excel sheet. So you can see here we don't have the Excel sheet path here. So how can we that? Simply we are going to the challenge Excel sheet and copy this Excel sheet from here and paste it on the via the project. Going to the project, open that and paste that Excel sheet on here, paste it. And after that what we are doing, we are just click on the shift right click and copy as a path. Okay, and close. And also we are create a variable, and here we are provide the name of this variable is Excel path. Okay, and pass the path on here. And after that we are just pass that variable on here. Name is variable name is Excel path. Okay, and also provide the sheet name is sheet 1 and store that sheet into a variable where creative, and variable name is RPA challenge sheet. Okay, and enter. And after that what we are doing, we are able to put the one by one Excel sheet row values. So for that case, what we are doing, we are take a for each loop for use the loop on this for this website. So we are using for each loop for each row data table loop. Enter here and pass the our sheet name is RPA challenge sheet, and also we are modify this thing simply. And then what we are doing, we are open this browser, and after that we are write the first name on here and last name here and role here and number, email and company name and address, and then click on here. So for that case, what we are doing, we are simply firstly we are take a click at, okay, we are take a another activities maximize, because we are maximize the window. So after that, what we are using, we are use a click activity to click on the start button. So take a click another click activity and indicate on this. So open this browser and click on start option and check his selector is okay or not. Click on this, okay. So RPA challenge is also, so we are click on the button, so everything is fine. We can check the click on the highlights and then check it and save it. Okay, okay. After that, what we are doing, we are write the first name here and last name here and address here. So if we are use this simply write range type into activity on here, but when we are click on the submit, then the position it has been changed. So for that cases, what we are taking that we are write the all the thing into a particular heading. So for that case, what we are using, we are using anchor base activity to provide the anchor of the particular point. So anchor base, in that anchor base, what we are using, we are using image. One side we are using image exist, and also we can use find image. Sorry, image exist. We can use the find image activity one side and indicate provide the indicate of this first name, okay, and check the first name, and right side we are taking type into activity, type into, and indicate on the place where you want to write the first name. So indicate on here and pass the first first name row value on here. So how can we pass this value? We are simply take the row, because our all the value available into the row, and here we are pass the name of the column. So our column name is first name, copy the column name and pass pass on here and convert into the string to go to string. So here we are also modify his name. Simply click on here, and here we are the first name, okay, and remove all other things. And you are seeing here we have the column is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 column. So for that case, what we are doing, we are just copy this and paste on here one time, two times, three, four, and five, and last is six, because already we have a one, we are using the one, so simply we are open this and click on here, and also we are indicate on the screen. So second one, we are using the last name, so click on the last name and indicate here also, indicate on the screen. Last name is under the last name we are indicate that thing, and change his name is, property name is last name. And after that, what we are doing, we are just copy the Excel sheet file name here and paste on column name on here. Okay, same thing we are doing for the, after last name we are going company name, company name, company name. Okay, go ahead and indicate on the screen, and here we have the company name, and then take the indicate on the screen and for the company name, indicate the company, and here we are also part of company. And after that, what we are using, we are click the next column is role in company, copy the role in company and indicate on role in company, and here we are also indicate under the role in company column and change the column name on here, role in company, and also we are change the anchor page name, role in company here. Now we are going for the next one. Next is address. So copy this address and paste on here and provide the anchor of this address. Indicate on the screen, click on the address, take the address, okay. So next is after address, email, copy the email column, paste the email, indicate on email. Same step we are follow for both of things. So we are email and also indicate on here using on the email, and here we are pass the email column. The last one is phone number. So copy, and also we can check one by one all things. First name, okay, we have missed that thing. Okay, because we also, so we, what we are doing, we are just drop this activity in the last. We drop this on here and indicate it again. Phone number, and here also we are using the phone number and change his column name and provide okay and save it. And after that we are using click activity to click on the submit button. Indicate on click, save it, and also try to save it. Okay, and try to run this program. So first what we are doing, we are just click on the read range and click on the add header and close this Excel sheet and run the program. Click on the step and then write the first name, last name. Okay. Maybe we are using the wrong thing. That's why it's not right. We are using find image activity. We already use the find image, so we are using image exist. Not image. First name, but there is also find the first name. So we are going for the last name. The last name we are going to company name. After company name, we are going to the role in company. Role in company. Address. After address, going to be email. Phone number. Save it and run it again. close this one. First name, last name, company name, role in company, address, email ID, and phone number, and click on submit. So they are going for the second one, type the same thing. So you can see here we have successfully made a RPA challenge program. In that program, what we are doing, we are read Excel file and write the data into the one by one into his under his column name, like company, last name, first name, and phone number, email address, and address. And after click on the submit. So today's agenda is closed. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. And if you have any query about this project, you can comment me, and I am also available 24 hours to provide you all the question answer. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you everyone.